It was 30 November 2022. I was sitting onto my computer desk doing my regular development stuff, and I suddenly pick up my phone, started reading some kind of news into that. I come across a news that somewhere in the world a product launched by a company named OpenAI, and that product has a green logo. I saw that news, I put down the phone again and I started doing my stuff. And the next morning I woke up, I did my regular stuff. Then around 9 to 10 a.m. I pick up my phone and open YouTube, and what I see onto the YouTube was totally amazed me. The whole YouTube got flooded with lots of video on a single thing, a green logo product. Not only unskilled person or people are worried about their job security, but the skillful professionals are also worried about losing their jobs. One day before, I had the similar thought that no one going to replace my job because I'm a pro in whatever I was doing. But I didn't know that the product which I not even heard about is going to change our life forever. That product was none other than ChatGPT. So let's try to figure out what was the history of AI and what would be the future of AI. So I am dividing this video into two parts: what happened before 2022 and what would happen after 2022. Now the interesting part would be what happened after 22. But coming to the history of AI, the evolution is not started after 2000, but it's actually started in 1943 when there is an evolution of artificial neuron started. Then it comes to 1950 when Turing machine coming into the pictures, and at that time people haven't started gaining understanding what can be done with the artificial intelligence. So at the 1956 the real term AI introduced, and in 1966 first chatbot released, that is Eliza. Coming to the 1972 there is some robots called as Wabot launched into the market. In 1980 it comes on to the export system, and then in 1997 the big company IBM have introduced the first computer to beat a world chess championship. Then in 2002 a product named Romba introduced for household uses. Again IBM launches a Watson that won a quiz show. Then in 2012 the Google introduces product for Android. Then comes to the chatbots. Then 2015 the Amazon introduced Amazon Echo. This is what the history of products which was launched since 1943 till 2015. Few people are aware of what AI and machines look, but rest of the world is not even aware of what AI looks like. Even the big business owners are also not know what AI looks like and what would be the impact of AI in future. Even the growth of AI was unpredictable at that time. After 2015, lot of people started coming into the picture. The one is also called the father of AI named Jeffrey Hinton started researching more over this topic, this technology, with his teammates, with his students, with his juniors. One of his assistants named was Sam Altman, and remember this name because in our story he plays a very important role. Later on few professors actually started teaching the machine learning online, and I feel very lucky that I'm one of the student of that particular course which was teaching at that time online onto the Coursera. The professor named was Andrew Ng. Not Andrew Ng, but there are other professors also who are actually taking this technology into an adaptation of how we can teach to others in order to get better understanding of AI, like we have a full stack of web development and other technologies. But even they don't know that AI will going to change everything. This was a time when IT professionals searching over the internet that what are the different high paying job, master full stack development, how to do Android development, what are the different technologies which will going to be ruled in future. They are not even aware of the storm which would transform everything, which would change everything. Even the father of AI is not even aware of what would be the impact of AI in future. Big companies, IT professionals and professors, those people who are closely working on AI, not even aware about the upcoming storm which will transform not only how the world works, but it will going to rule the world, and that storm is a storm of AI. Every IT professional was feeling secure. They have full confidence over no one going to replace their jobs. Everyone expected a smooth life, a smooth future, and the date arrived as 13 November 2022. A product launched named ChatGPT, and this date would be remembered as the revolutionary date for AI. Now the secondary part of the video started. That is, and this AI history comes into the picture, and this is the time when AI gained a lot of popularity among more than expected people. This day puts a light onto the whole history of AI. And guess what? There are a lot more people started feeling stressed over their jobs, insecurity into their jobs. This time, a lot more AI tools which are already launched into the market started coming into the picture. People started using it. The YouTube, other social media platforms got flooded with lots of video, chunks of video over this particular thing. Just share this video with your friends so that they can understand that how a product or AI which is built by humans become curse for the human. If you find this video informative, please do subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.